In this video, we'll be telling about some interesting games that you can play in Google Chrome application. For this, you don't need to install any third-party application. These are some hidden games in Google Chrome application. In this video, we'll be telling about 7 games. First game is dinosaur game. Most of you will be familiar with this game. For this, first what we need to do is, you need to turn off your internet. After that, click on anything or search for anything in Google. When you're searching, you can see no internet. Above, you can see one dinosaur. Click on that, and when you're clicking on that, your game will be started. Most of you will be familiar with this game. This is interesting game. You can try this out. Second game we are going to talk about is solitaire. For this, you need internet connection, so turn on your internet connection. After that, in Google, search for solitaire. When you're searching for solitaire, you can see a result like this. Here you can see play button. Just click on this play button and one new game will be loaded. This is interesting game. In Windows devices, this game used to come as default application. And next game we are going to talk about is Pacman. For this, what you need to do is, in Google, search for Pacman. When you are searching for Pacman, you can see a result like this. Here you can see play button. Just click on this play button. When you are clicking on that, that game will be loaded. This is also very interesting game. You can try this game also. Third game is snake game. For this, you need to search for snake game. And when you are searching for snake game, you can see a result like this. Here you can see play button. Just click on this play button and that game will be loaded. You can play that game from here. Next game in our list is minesweeper. For this, you need to search for minesweeper. When you are searching for minesweeper, you can see a result like this. Here you can see play button. Just click on this play button and you can play this game. This game also used to come as default game in Windows. Next game is Zerg Rush. For this, search for Zerg Rush. When you are searching for Zerg Rush, you can see a result like this. Click on the first website. When you are clicking on that, that game will be loaded. Here what you need to do is, you need to break this. Otherwise, this results will be deleted. When it is reaching down, game will be over. And next game is Atari Breakout. For that, what you need to do is, search for Atari Breakout. When you are searching for Atari Breakout, you can see a result like this. Click on the first result. Like before, new page will come. Now game will be started. This is also interesting game. You can try this game also. So these are some interesting games in Google Chrome application. If you know about more Google Chrome games, just comment about that game. And don't forget to comment about your favorite game. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.